Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are doing this super slick jumbo braided ponytail using Brazilian wool, so let's get into it. You want to start off with clean hair. My hair is freshly washed, and as you can see here, I'm just combing it, preparing it for our hairstyle. Next up, I'm using my gel. I'm using my soft and free styling gel to slick down my hair. Use a generous amount, making sure that you cover all your hair with the styling gel. Now I'm going over my hair with a comb just to try and get the kinks out of my hair, or the flyaways. You can also use a brush if you like. Continue combing the hair, mold it to the shape of the ponytail by using a scrunchie or wool. And now I'm going over my hair with a comb to try and get rid of any kinks that is left here. I'm going to use a headscarf. I prefer using a silk headscarf just to lay my hair flat. You can also use two headscarves like me, but that is totally optional. Now that my hair is flat and ready for our hairstyle, I'm going to be using this Brazilian wool, which is long, thick, perfect for a jumbo braided ponytail. I'm going to attach the hair on my head and secure it with some wool like so. Make sure you take your time securing the ponytail because we don't want it to move, girl. Shortly after that, I'm going to push back the hair like so. It should look like a slick pony, and you can leave it like that if you like and carry on with your day. I'm kidding. What you want to do now is take the piece of hair out that you're going to cover the ponytail at the end. Just put it aside for later. And now I'm going to split the braiding hair into 3 sections, and this is a lot of hair, so make sure you take your time when you do this part. Do not rush it. As I braid my hair, you kind of want to braid at the back first. And bring it to the front, because I feel like by bringing the hair into the front, I can see what I'm doing and I can see the braid coming out correctly, and it's also easier on my arms. It took me a while to do this. I feel like with more practice, the better you get. Honestly, with braiding, you just need to practice to get better. So I'm just gonna continue to braid until I get to the last part. So once you finish with your braid, you're just gonna use a rubber band to secure the end. Now you're gonna take the hair you put aside earlier and wrap it around the braid. Using my Got2b freeze spray, I'm going to secure it like so. And this is how our ponytail turned out at the end. This was super quick and easy to make. And now I'm just stretching the ponytail, making sure that it's stretched, or you can also use hot water for this part. As you can see here, I'm actually feeling myself. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I'm just giving you guys a 360. I'm actually obsessed with this hairstyle. I love it. And now this part is optional, but I'm going to be using my Soft and Free styling gel to create some edges. And then you just want to clean up your hair, do some baby hairs or edges, whatever you need to perfect the look, do it. Make sure everything is in place, and that's pretty much it, honeys. Now I do have a little disclaimer. I did edges on other parts of this hairstyle, and then I also did remove them to see how it would look without edges. And this is how the hairstyle turned out. I love it. It's so long, luscious, and I'm pretty much happy with the results. Honeys, let me know if you did find the tutorial helpful. Give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. It is free. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. I'll see you honeys on the next one. Please don't forget to like, comment, share the video, and subscribe. Until next time, stay beautiful and stay blessed. Bye.